Welcome to Intro to Software Technology. This is a really fun, creative class. It is all about making cool stuff. You will be able to create apps and games, websites, all the things that you can imagine, and then also learn about technology and emerging trends as we go along. The way that this course works is it's mostly going to be project based, and because it's summer, it is very condensed and fast paced. Like you're taking an entire year long course in only 6 weeks. So you do need to make sure that you carve out a significant amount of time each day to work on your projects, probably 3 to 4 hours, hopefully less, but just know that it is a year long course in a very short period of time. There will be content available throughout the entire week. You are welcome to work ahead and use the weekend, but I highly recommend taking a break. So it's okay if you want to go and relax and have fun, enjoy your summer, go to the pool, things like that. But during the week, make sure that you have a routine so that you are on pace and following the daily due dates. Getting behind will be really difficult. If you do need to travel during the course, that's totally fine. Just make sure you touch base with your teacher so that they can work out a plan to keep you on pace or help you get caught up when you return. The way the course works grade-wise is you have your summatives at 75% and then formatives are 25%. There are not really many tests or multiple choice type assessments. It's all going to be based on projects for the most part. So just make sure that you are completing your assignments and doing your own original work. The way the grading works is if you have an error in your code or you didn't quite follow directions, your teacher will return the assignment to you for you to redo it and fix it. So you'll get a 0 at first if something isn't right, but then your teacher will update it immediately as soon as you submit your corrections. So don't panic. It's just a way to make sure that you really understand the content before moving on. Okay, the lessons will open on Fridays for anyone who wants to preview what's going on for the next week. You're welcome to work on the weekend, but you totally don't have to do that. So just be sure that by Monday you've logged in to see what we're doing for the week and get started. And then always complete your work in order. So we'll start with class 1, then class 2, 3, so on and so forth. So don't skip around because the content builds on the previous lessons and you might get confused. The last piece of advice is just to have fun and participate. Look at all the cool things that your classmates are creating and give them a high five. Make some cool stuff and share it with your family too. And then let me show you a quick preview of what the course looks like in Canvas. So you've already logged into the course, obviously, but for the most part, it will look like this all the time. When you log in, you'll go to that front homepage. There are announcements down here, so make sure you scroll down to see if there's anything that you're missing. Click the warp button, and this is where you'll see the lessons for the week. They're all called classes. So your very first class, as you discovered, is called class 1, and you can see all the activities for that class, but you can't access them until you've done each assignment. So it won't let you skip to 1.7 if you're only on 1.2, but at least you kind of know how many steps there are for that day, and so on and so forth. So each class is equal to 1 week of content in a base school. So it can be a lot of work. So make sure that you're logging in and checking your assignments and try to complete at least one class per day. If you need any help, please reach out to your teacher using this inbox feature over here, and they will be super happy to assist. And also, it's great to hear from students, so don't hesitate to reach out. You're not bothering anybody. We're here for you and want you to have a great experience. That's all for now, and thanks for choosing Forsyth Virtual Academy.